Hello all. So today I'll be discussing about investment in mutual fund on SIP basis or on lump sum basis. So what happens in SIP? A certain fixed amount is debited from your account and it goes to your mutual fund, and this amount could be as low as rupees 500. Whereas on lump sum basis, a certain higher amount goes to your mutual fund in one go. So when you take an SIP, the cost of averaging of your SIP takes place, of your mutual fund takes place. For example, when the market is high, you will get your mutual fund units at a higher amount, and on the other hand, when the market is low, you will get your mutual fund units at a very lower price. So in same amount you will get more number of units. On the other hand, if you go by a lump sum amount, please take care of the timing of your investment. The market should always be in a bearish trend or in a downward trend whenever you go for the lump sum investment in your mutual fund. So whichever way you go, I would suggest you please go for investments in mutual fund, as it is one of the best options available for investments. The risk is lower compared to direct equity investment. The return is higher compared to your FD investments. The ease of investment is good, as you just need a demat account and you can invest in mutual fund from your home itself, and the liquidity is also good, as you can exit from your mutual fund anytime whenever you want. So thank you, bye bye, hope you like it.